AI can make you faster, even in the wrong direction. Judgment boundary is a verification layer for working with AI. It checks whether an AI-generated response actually follows the original assignment before you act on it. It was developed with OpenAI's GPT 5.6 and Codex. GPT 5.6 was used to shape the product concept, define the review logic, refine requirements, and audit the system's behavior across repeated live tests. Codex was used to implement the application, write and update tests, diagnose failures, and verify the final build through linting, automated tests, production builds, and end-to-end checks. Together, they supported an iterative workflow in which design decisions, implementation, testing, and independent review remained clearly separated. Guided check helps structure ambiguous requirements without pretending that every judgment can be automated. Quick check compares the response with the assignment, highlights fulfilled and missed requirements, and shows what could be verified directly. Paste the original assignment and the AI-generated response. Then choose strict mode and start the check. The result separates the model's initial judgment from direct machine checks. It also separates human review from the final effective outcome. Machine checks verify what can be tested directly. Here, the response passes the word count check, but fails to state that user testing begins on Monday, and it mentions pricing even though the assignment explicitly forbids it. Human review resolves what the machine cannot decide safely. Here, only the part referring to Alex is accepted. The rest remains withheld. The effective result updates immediately and records the human decision. It shows what can now be used and what remains blocked. Correction guidance remains withheld until every required decision is resolved. The raw model output stays visible for review, but it is not approved for use. Once the review is complete, the full decision trail can be downloaded as a markdown report. This makes the final outcome transparent, traceable, and ready for documentation. Judgment boundary does not replace human judgment. It shows where human judgment is still required before a confident AI answer becomes action. Know what was checked before you act.